So we are going to make a stylus today, and it is especially DIY, that is do it yourself. So first we need a pen, some cotton, some water, single piece of wire. So first we need a pen, and we have to make it unward. Simply we have to take out its cap and take out its back and little everything. You can see we have taken out its back, its cap and its body, and everything is simply unward. Then simply we need a wire, and we have to cut its ends like these and like these. Okay, simply we have to get its strands as it is made of a copper and it's a copper wire. We have to get its strands. We have to cut it ends like these and peel them off. Then we have to take out strands. There are many wires here, but we have to get only one strand, only one. So here we get only one strand that you can see here, and then we will put it inside this body. Put it inside this body like this, from its end to its top, and here we get it out. Then we'll put it back like this. You can see the wire and it's out of its mouth. Then you can see we have to put its knob here like this, and then we have to then we have to get some cotton and water. Here we get some cotton. We take it back and we will dip our hand in the water and shape the cotton like we are shaping the tip of a stylus like this. Here is a little warning that you should not dip your cotton in the water. Only dip your hands a little bit and shape it like a tip of a stylus. The more sharp you do, the more accurate precision you will get. Shape it like it's a tip detail, and here is it's the initial point. Then what we have to do is to take the pen and with the copper wire we have to insert it like this. The more sharp tip we get, the easier it becomes to put it back. Put it like deep down, deep like this. We have to sharpen the tip in order to get the accurate point we want to touch with our cheap stylus. Here our stylus is ready, and let's try it out. Yes, voila, it's working, and we can see it properly, clearly. So guys, subscribe to my channel to get latest updates like these.